Hey there, loan officers. It's Scott Groves, head coach of Consolidated Coaching here with homeIQ, reminding you before we jump into the coaching that homeIQ solves 3 problems, helps you keep in touch with your previous client, gives you a monthly call list of who to call and keep in touch with, and gives you a value add service to call your realtors with. On to our coaching. Now, another tab you're going to want to go to is the Refi tab. In full transparency, we are filming this video towards the end of 2023 when rates are so high, cyclically speaking, comparatively speaking to the last 5 years, that currently homeIQ is not showing me any refinance opportunities. In my homeIQ, this is currently blank. However, as rates start to dip down, and we believe they will throughout 2024, this screen will start to populate with my closed clients based on their interest rate versus where interest rates are today, and it will start to give me a detailed list of individuals who might be a refinance prospect or possibility. So at least once a week, you definitely want to have a calendar reminder to go into homeIQ to check your leads tab, your refinance tab, and make a few calls on that pre-mover score. But make sure you're checking out this tab at least once a week for opportunities to create refinances for yourself.